Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your overwhelming support to my channel. Let us do review on US dollar JPY, check on the price action that had happened last week, and let us analyze the future price actions. What are going to be the trading ranges for coming week? Just a quick review. I'm on weekly time frame now in US dollar JPY. Here we had already analyzed that in weekly time frame, and here it has given a breakout and it has also retested. We also know that there is a strong resistance here, and next resistance is going to be at this point. So these are all the 2 points where the resistance are there in weekly time frame. Resistance in a higher time frame means it will take longer to break and it will be acting as a very strong resistance. Let us go to the daily time frame and do the analysis. Hello traders, hope you are enjoying watching this video. If you like this video so far, press that like button at the bottom. And a quick request, if you have any suggestions, new ideas, or if you want me to do technical analysis for different currency pairs, do let me know in the comment sections. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So in daily time frame also we had analyzed that it was going on a channel pattern. This was the bottom and this was the top, and then we had analyzed that this channel pattern was going on, and I had also highlighted that there was a central line which was acting as a strong support within this daily time frame. There is a dynamic support which is acting as a strong support and resistance. So here if you have noticed, the price has come down up to this level and it has bounced back again. So we can understand that this dynamic support is still acting as a strong support. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, we can notice that it has broken this previous high. It has broken the previous high and it is broken the weekly resistance also, and it is going for the dynamic resistance on daily time frame. Dollar is very strong, and when we see the trend, this has been the trend so far. The uptrend started from here, went up, retested at this point, and a little bit of retracement happened here, but quick uptrend started, and you can see the candle movement. Candles are very big, which means it had a very strong uptrend. So it has broken the resistance also, which was resistance in weekly time frame, and it is going for the dynamic resistance. Let us analyze the trading ranges for next week. So we know that the uptrend has started from here and it had a stop here, then retracement happened. Presently it is on a uptrend. In Fibonacci's extension 0.5 directly colliding with the dynamic resistance from daily time frame. So this is going to be acting as a strong resistance. We may see a trend reversal at this point. This could be this dynamic resistance from daily time frame, which is a channel pattern upside resistance, may act as a strong resistance, and we might see a trend reversal to happen from this point. It manages to break this level, we can see a further movement on towards 0.618. And next resistance is going to be at 0.786. These are all the levels on the top side, upside. So let me mark the levels. So it has a very strong resistance at 112.388. Since the market is on uptrend, I am giving the upside levels. The next target is going to be at 112.738. When it clears this level, next target is going to be at 113.233. But I'm expecting a price rejection at this 0.5 and Fibonacci extension. We can see a trend reversal, a little bit of retracement to happen. Price can go there and bounce back and retrace up to here, then a strong bounce back to happen. This is what I'm expecting. It is not a full trend reversal, but a retracement. As long as this support holds, strong uptrend continues, strong support, dynamic support for the present trend. Ranges on downside is going to be, the previous high is going to be a strong acting as a strong support, 112.040, that is going to be acting as a strong support. And if it breaks this support, we can see the next level. This is going to be acting as a next support, 111.777. That is going to be the next support. And I'm expecting uptrend to continue. So there could be a bounce back at this dynamic support and uptrend to continue. Let us wait and see how the price action goes for the next week.